this is a problem for a different day. Now I hear something that makes a little bit of horsepower. Today we are taking the beloved Evo 8 to the shop. This thing needs a little bit of work. Unfortunately, a little bit of work. For some reason, every time Jared touches one of my cars, something breaks.
I drove it like 3 feet. We got a little bit of something there.
Oof. What the freak?
So we gotta fix the car, and if all goes to plan, I'm giving the car a new treat with a new set of wheels. I've been wanting to put some new wheels on this car for a minute now. I have talked about this before. I really love the CE28s, but I decided to go ahead and change it up because I think a darker wheel looks better on this car. She's a little noisy. I know it's not an engine issue, but it still needs to be fixed. Gotta be something on the serpentine belt. Either the AC compressor is making noise, power steering pump. I don't think it's a water pump issue. Maybe the tensioner. Belt is off. Let's fire up the engine and see if the noise disappears. If it doesn't disappear, I got a bad feeling. So whatever that noise is, it's coming from the serpentine belt side of the engine. Again, AC compressor, most likely AC compressor, power steering pump, or the tensioner. Let me do some diagnosing, try to figure out what the heck's going on. Now, I'm not a power steering expert, but this don't sound right. I got another used OEM known good pump on the way. I've never had luck with aftermarket pumps, so another used OEM it is. While we wait for that to come in the mail, let's go ahead and toss on a new set of wheels on the car. I've had these laying around for a while now. Today's the day they go on. I know you're thinking, Devin, you hate on TEs all the time. Why are you putting TEs on the Evo 8? I don't know. I don't know, right? I think they're gonna look good. I'm sick of the silver. I found a decent price on a set of in-stock TEs. Diamond dark gunmetal, the right spec, 18 by 9.5, plus 22. And this color is nice. It's perfect. It ain't black, it ain't gray. It is diamond gunmetal, etched in logos. These things are beautiful. That is nice. They're sick because the less spokes allows you to see much more of the brake setup. The Brembo GT big brake kit that we have on this car. Paint match calipers. That looks freaking amazing. Oh my goodness. I've gotten a little too comfortable putting cars on lifts and not confirming that the pads are in a good spot. I shouldn't even show you guys this, but I'll show you anyway, just in case this thing falls off in a few moments. Let me grab a light. That, my friends, is sketchy. Filming from now until the car's on the ground securely, just in case it falls off the lift. Be funny to have a video. Okay, so here is the deal. I don't know if that power steering pump is supposed to make some noises like that. I mean, it's a pump, it should make a little bit of noise. Sounds excessive to me. That tensioner that's on the car, it's an OEM tensioner that I Cerakoted a long time ago. So it's like 23 years old. Picked up a new OEM one. Let's slap this on, put the belt back on, and see if it still makes the noise. Sounds normal. It's got the typical loud 4G lifter noise, but the noise that I heard earlier today that I thought was the power steering pump is completely eliminated with the new tensioner. Something still ain't right with this car. That tensioner was on its way out for sure, and it wasn't making any noise. I don't think it was the noise, if you know what I mean. This noise I'm hearing, I swear comes from the cylinder head. I thought maybe we had a broken cam cap, rocker issue, lifter issue, destroyed cam journal maybe. I've checked everything out in the head that I can without completely disassembling. Everything looks perfect. You guys probably can't hear it on camera. I can feel it in the floor of the car as I'm cranking it over. I'm now leaning towards something clutch, flywheel related. Issue located. Okay, this is gonna be impossible to show you guys, but I'll try. You guys see that? My clutch should be yellow. The face of it is partially silver in some spots. Here's what that means. Clutch came loose or flywheel came loose. If the clutch is loose, I can easily pull out the bolts, Loctite them through the access hole, reinstall, and torque. If the flywheel came loose, transmission's gotta come out. Flywheel has gotta be loose. If this fan would shut up, that'd be nice. Yeah, all the clutch bolts are tight. It's very clear that the clutch is wearing on the transmission case. My big fear is that base of the crankshaft is smoked. Happens all the time on Hondas. I would know from experience, I've done it. It's not an OEM crank, it's a Manley crank. This is a 2.3 stroker. That crank's expensive. That would suck. This is a problem for a different day. Evo's down. Down bad.